Greetings, Globetrotters. Today we're diving into the enchanting city of Budapest. Prepare for a hilarious adventure as we explore the Pearl of the Danube, unravel its hidden treasures, and of course, sprinkle in some laughter along the way. Welcome to Budapest, the comedy edition. Ah, Budapest, where history and culture collide, and unsuspecting tourists attempt to master the unpronounceable Hungarian language. So how do you make the most of your trip and survive the tongue-twisting challenges? Get ready for some laughs as we embark on a side-splitting journey.
Egy aprócska kalapocska, benne csacska, macska, mocska. Hungarian is very easy.
Step 1. The Buda Castle District. This UNESCO World Heritage Site offers stunning views and a trip back in time. But let's be honest, folks, those cobblestone streets can be a real challenge to walk on gracefully. Embrace the wobbly strut and call it your unique Hungarian dance style. Step 2. The Hungarian Parliament. This architectural masterpiece dominates the skyline, and getting a guided tour inside is a must. But beware, my friends. The sheer grandeur might leave you feeling small and insignificant. If you start to feel down, just pretend you're a tiny goulash dumpling in a giant pot of history. Step 3. The Second Thermal Baths. Relaxation at its finest. But let's not forget that this place is more crowded than a paprika spice bazaar. Embrace the cozy company of fellow bathgoers, share some jokes, and maybe even engage in a spirited rubber duck race. It's all part of the hilarious spa experience. Step 4. The Ruin Bars. These uniquely Budapest establishments are like a treasure trove of quirkiness and creativity. But be warned, my friends, navigating through the maze of mismatched furniture and eclectic decor can feel like a real-life game of I Spy. Just remember, the best punchlines can be found where you least expect. Step 5. Margaret Island. This tranquil oasis in the heart of the city offers beautiful gardens and recreational activities. But hey, remember that laughter is the best exercise. So go ahead and practice your best yoga pose. Just don't be surprised if a mischievous squirrel steals the spotlight with its acrobatics. Step 6. Hungarian cuisine. Budapest is a food lover's paradise, and you simply can't visit without trying the local delights. But let's not forget that Hungarian dishes can be a tongue twister of their own. Don't worry if you can't pronounce gulyás correctly. Just order with a confident smile and hope they understand your universal language of laughter. And finally, Step 7. The Chain Bridge. This iconic bridge connects the Buda and Pest sides of the city. But hey, it's not just about crossing the bridge, it's about enjoying the view. So stop midway, strike a pose, and unleash your best modeling skills. Budapest will surely applaud your audacious fashion statement. So, my fellow adventurers, get ready for a comedic exploration of Budapest. Embrace the challenges of pronunciation, navigate the quirky spots with a sense of humor, and let laughter be your guide. Because when it comes to Budapest, it's not just about sightseeing. It's about creating lifelong memories filled with unforgettable laughter. Until next time, keep exploring, keep laughing, and keep Budapesting. Cheers!